If you are dealing with dry skin, itchiness or irritation, then this peppermint body oil is a great solution to add to your skincare routine. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. Hi, I'm Kajol. Body oils are a great addition because they offer excellent sealing property that lock moisture into your skin. Regular use of body oil can improve the skin texture and enhance the skin elasticity. Body oils can give you a natural shine and glow to your skin. Overall, body oils are a perfect addition in your skincare routine. To make this peppermint body oil, we only need 4 ingredients. First ingredient is coconut oil. You can see I have chosen wood pressed coconut oil here because the coconut oil deeply nourishes and hydrates the skin and prevents flakiness and dryness from the skin. It is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory in nature that reduce inflammation and promote healing of wounds. Our second ingredient is rice bran oil. Here I am choosing unrefined rice bran oil. Unrefined rice bran oil is rich in antioxidant and it is emollient in nature that deeply moisturize the skin and make our skin soft and supple. The phytosterols and squalene present in rice bran oil have anti-inflammatory property that can calm and soothe our irritated skin. It has the ability to strengthen the natural skin barrier and retain moisture on the skin. Squalene is naturally present in rice bran oil, have the property of skin elasticity and anti-aging. Our third ingredient is grapeseed oil. I am choosing cold pressed grapeseed oil because it's lightweight and easy absorbing property. Grapeseed oil has linoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory in nature that can calm and soothe the irritated skin. And it is also antimicrobial in nature that can prevent any bacterial or microbial activity of the skin. Our last ingredient is peppermint infused oil. To make this peppermint infused oil at home, I have already shared a video. I will give the link in the description box and I will attach the link in the cards. Peppermint offers several benefits for skin because it contains menthol in it that provides a cooling sensation when applied to the skin. Peppermint acts as a natural astringent. It can soothe and calm the irritated and inflamed skin. It is antimicrobial in nature that prevents bacteria and microbial activity on the skin. And it has a refreshing aroma. For the infusion purpose, we have used sunflower oil because sunflower oil has an abundant vitamin E and also other vitamins like vitamin A, C, D that has a skin regenerative properties, and sunflower oil is high in linoleic acid that has an anti-inflammatory property that can soothe and calm the irritated skin, and it is also a lightweight and fast absorbing oil that is not greasy and suitable for all skin types. So we used sunflower oil for the infusion purpose. Let's get started to make our peppermint body oil. I have already pre-measured my oils. Here I am taking 50 grams of peppermint infused oil. Now I am adding coconut oil 20 grams. And unrefined rice bran oil 20 grams. Last ingredient is grapeseed oil 10 grams. Now we can mix the oils evenly. We can transfer this peppermint body oil into a clean sterilized bottle. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe my channel and support my channel. Thank you. Happy formulating.